Let's explore managing action types and fields in safety culture. Action types help clarify what each task is for, whether it's a corrective action, maintenance job, or something else entirely. With custom fields, you can collect the right details for each type of action, like parts needed, estimated cost, and actual cost. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to create action types, add custom fields, and how to use them on the mobile app. To create a custom action type, go to Actions. Click Settings. You'll need the Action Settings permission to access this. Then click Create Type. Let's create a work order action type, then Continue. Every action type includes a few default fields, like title, description, and due date. These system fields can't be changed and help your team capture the essential information. You also have the option to link inspection templates to this specific action type. Since we're creating this for work orders, we might need to capture some additional details like the job ID, estimated hours, and estimated cost. Let's add those custom fields. For our work order example, let's start with the job ID. Select the field type here. You can choose from text, date, and currency. Then we need the required materials for the work order. Finally, let's add the estimated cost with currency as the field type. You can use existing fields from other action types to save time. Click here to add the field. Fantastic! All changes are saved automatically. Let's head to the mobile app to test our work. In this example, I'll create an action by tapping here on the home screen. Once it's created, we can select the action type here. We'll continue with the work order type we just made. Let's skip ahead as I add the details. All the fields we added make it easy to fill in the right info and give the team clear direction on what's needed. I'll quickly drop in the key info for the work order. With custom action types and fields, you'll get clear task assignments, better reporting, and more consistent data across your inspections. That's just one way to enhance your actions workflow. Want better tracking? Add assets to Actions to keep your equipment records up to date. Search View Assets with Open Actions in our Help Center to learn more. For this and more on Actions, head to help.safetyculture.com.